Good morning, students. Yesterday we have studied about the word chain of noun, adjective and verb and exclamatory sentence. Today we are going to study how to frame an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means prashnarthak vakya. Unit number 2.4 language study activity number 2B topic interrogative form page number 67. Open your page number 67 from your textbook. We have in the language study section activity number 2B how to frame an interrogative. Let's learn the examples. Number 1. He is a boy. It is an assertive sentence, student. How to frame an interrogative. Interrogative is divided into two kinds: verbal questions it is called also as no type, and second type WH question. This is the first one. Second type. He is a boy. It's an assertive sentence. How to frame an interrogative? Look at blackboard. He subject is verb. A verb and object. Take first while framing an interrogative is. After that subject, and after that an object, and at last question marks. This is the structure of an assertive sentence, students, but this structure is an interrogative sentence. Look here. At the end, question mark, which here is verb plus subject plus object. It's the structure of or formula of interrogative. But which kind of interrogative? Verb question, yes, no type question. You will find these questions answer only yes or no. Is he boy? Yes. Is he boy? No. And that's why it is called verbal question. A question definition. A question which begins with verb means kriya padapasu suru hunara prashna. Here is already, but sometimes the verb is not given. That time, how to frame an interrogative sentence? Let's see, student. Ram goes to school. It's a sentence, student. Here is no. To be verb, helping verb. For example, may, can, will, shall, am, is, at, was, were, shall be, will be, has, have. These helping verbs. is not, or this verb is not mentioned in this sentence. Ram root verb goes. At that time, how to frame an interrogative? Look, it's an answer. Does Ram? R is capital because it's a proper noun, students. And you know the rules of proper nouns to write capital letter at the beginning. So does Ram go to school? Does. Understood? Suppose here the students study hard. It's a sentence. Here is a question mark, students. Does Ram go to school? Answer will yes or no. The students study hard. Present tense. This is also present tense. Answer. Do. We got the plural subject. Do the student. Do the student study hard? Question mark. Fourth one. He played. It's a past tense. He played kabaddi. It's a past tense, student. That time here is no helping verb. Am, is, are, was, were, shall be, have, may, can, should, could. No, such a type of helping verb is not mentioned in this sentence. How to frame? It's a past tense. Understood, students? Answer. Did. He played. Not play, because we use here already did verb. So play kabaddi. Question marks. Understood now? If there is a helping verb, the question is like that. If there is no helping verb, frame a question like that. If here is no helping verb, frame a question like that. Here is also no helping verb, frame a question like that. If there is helping verb, it's very easy to frame an interrogative sentence. Now second kind, WH question. Look. Example number 1. Ram went to market. Ram went to market. To market. You can frame two questions. Look. Answer. Where? Past tense sentence, so did, because there is no helping verb. Where did Ram? The root verb of went, go. The first question. Second question, who went to market? Second question. You can make two type of questions. Where did Ram go? Who went to market? In this sentence, there is no helping verb like these examples. Another. Ram was the king. Ram was the king. Answer. Who was the king? Ram was the king. It's a sentence and question. Who was the king? It is called WH question. You have studied already, and we have a question in examination. Frame a WH question or frame yes no type question or frame verbal question. Understood now? Means WH word plus helping word plus subject plus question marks. Formula: WH word plus helping verb plus subject and plus question. Look, WH word helping verb was the key subject and at last question mark. This question structure verb formula verb plus subject plus object plus question marks. Understood now, student? Formula. Here is a formula of verbal question and here is a formula of WH question. WH word, this question definition. WH questions that begins with WH word. WH